Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, CuatroPrincesas, Smith-Morra. Okay, hopefully this is a fun line. Bit of fun from this line with F4 and the F4. So Knight G5, Queen B3. Very direct stuff. Probably not doing anything right now. This Bishop F7 is an idea. I think I'll go for this plan. Queen E1 to H4. Oh, that's a bit ambitious. Surely. Okay. So, what is he doing? Is he casting E6, E takes? Or she doing? I don't know. Interesting. Surely there's a king safety issue breaking the pawns like that. There must be. Queen E1 to H4. Get rid of this defensive knight. That might help. Gives me access to H5. That looks very dangerous. Come on, this person's pushing their luck. Come on, Queen H5 looks just really dangerous. F6, Bishop H6, Bishop E4, Queen G5. Actually, if Knight G6 just Queen takes, there's that pin on F7. It takes there, takes. Can I do anything with the knight other than that? There's Knight G3, there's Rook F4, there's Bishop C2. I mean, this F6 is interesting just to get the knight maybe to F5 later. If I play this, if it takes, H6 is weak. I get Knight G3 to F5. I'll go with that idea. It looks very tempting. It keeps the knight just in case. I've got my two attacking bishops on the case here. So Bishop H6. Any Knight G6 has Queen G6. So I'm playing Bishop H6 and then Knight F5 after. It looks very crushing. I think, yeah, this has been very ambitiously played with king safety, surely, by black. Surely, I mean, we're at this diagonal as well. Okay. So taking this Knight G4 after. So what? It's one less defensive piece around the king. Yeah. Whoa. Scary. F5 Bishop G5 though. Oh, I got this Bishop G5. It's not such a pain. H3 and a Knight H5 after. Oh! Well, I can take the Queen. I'm going to get a piece. That will do. I assume. Yeah. Job done. Getting the piece there. Pre-moving that. So piece up. Celebration. I thought that was just too ambitious. Yeah, resigns. Okay. Mind you, the engine gave... Don't tell me the engine's playing G takes. You didn't see that? The engine was giving that. Knight G4, not bad. Yeah, it just looks as though this is not helping matters. A5, Queen 8, it just looks dangerous, doesn't it, for white? It just looks dangerous already. Looks very dangerous to me. Oh, bishop takes H6 was apparently possible, so I thought this here. Oh, hang on. No, there was something about this position. Why I didn't play it? Wasn't it just taking here? Alright, Queen G5 check. Rook F4. Oh, no, I didn't see this. Rook F4, that's good. That's thematic. Wow. This isn't so hot. So the hot thing is to take on H6. Yeah. Wow. So one quick 1-2 with the rook and the queen's worth remembering. This is okay. It's still +1. Creeping up here. This is giving away a piece. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.